Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lutfa and I'm here for poem. Every day you greet your students with a smile upon your face. Though paperwork the night before seemed like a grueling phase. Money is not your motivation. It's the love for what you do. You hear that special calling to which you will always say true. Your students are your dedication. Devotion is to them. To you, each child is unique and special. A beautiful little gem. Some days are demanding and frustration takes its course. Then you see those little faces, your inspiration is your force. There is a special pride in teachers and a love for what you do. And appreciation is always shared between those little lives and you. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put to make me a better person. Thank you for being my guide always. My prayers will never stop for all my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.